Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV charging spending to NerdWallet budget step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the NerdWallet website. Log in to your NerdWallet account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the budgeting tool from the main dashboard. Click on the budgeting section to open your budget overview. Identify the category where you want to track your EV charging spending. If a relevant category does not exist, create a new one by selecting the option to add a category. Label the new category appropriately, such as EV charging or electric vehicle costs. Now, gather your EV charging expense. This may include receipts, bank statements, or charging app records. Sum up your total spending for a specific time frame, like weekly or monthly. Return to your NerdWallet budgeting tool section. Enter the total amount in the EV charging category. Make sure to include any relevant notes for clarity, such as the time frame of the spending. Review your budget to ensure the new entry is correctly reflected. Check if your overall budget adjusts accordingly after adding the new category. For ongoing tracking, set a reminder to update your expenses regularly. Make it a habit to log your EV charging costs whenever you recharge your vehicle. This will provide you with a comprehensive view of your spending patterns. Use this data to adjust your budget if necessary for better financial planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.